Hi friends, today we are going to see exercise 8.1 sum. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So see here, first the given statement is 3 cot A is equal to 4, where cot A is 4 by 3. So we know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan A is, we know the ratio tan A is opposite by adjacent. So therefore, cot is adjacent by opposite, the reciprocal of that. And we know the value of cot A, that is 4 by 3. So see here, in this triangle, the angle is A. So see here, the angle is A. We know that if this is theta, the side that is opposite to the angle is opposite side, and the slant side, the side with greater length, is hypotenuse, and the third side is the adjacent side. Now see here, we know the values for adjacent side and the opposite side. The adjacent side value is 4 and the opposite side value is 3. Here we don't know the length of the hypotenuse. When we have the length of two sides, we can easily find the length of the third side by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of the hypotenuse. So we know that hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here just substitute the values. For AB it is 4 square plus 3 square. So 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. So AC square is equal to 25. AC is equal to root of 25, which is 5. Now we got the value for hypotenuse, which is 5. So see here, in the question, we have to find 1 minus tan square. This term is equal to this term or not. So first, let me consider this as LHS and this as RHS. So I am solving this as LHS and RHS separately. So first let us take the LHS part, which is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Here we know that tan square A, here tan square A can be written as 1 by cot square A. See here, the tan is the reciprocal of cot. They both are reciprocal to each other. So I am just substituting this here. So that is cot square A divided by 1 plus 1 by cot square A. Now in the question we have the value for cot A. So we know that cot square A is equal to cot A the whole square. So see here, 1 minus 1 by cot A the whole square divided by 1 plus 1 by cot A the whole square. So now I am going to take the LCM. So when we take the LCM, we get cot A the whole square minus 1 by cot A the whole square divided by cot A the whole square plus 1 by cot A the whole square. Now see here, we have in this fraction and in this fraction, in the numerator and the denominator, we have common denominators, that is called A the whole square. So we can just cancel this. So we get cot A the whole square minus 1 by cot A the whole square plus 1. So now just substitute the values. So the cot A is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 the whole square minus 1 by 4 by 3 the whole square plus 1. So here we have to apply the square for both numerator and denominator. So we get 16 by 9 minus 1 by 16 by 9 plus 1. Now again take the LCM. So when we take the LCM we get 16 minus 9 by 9 divided by 16 plus 9 by 9. Now see here we have 9 as the common. In the both numerator and the denominator part we have common denominators. So we can just cancel that. We get 16 minus 9 by 16 plus 9. So see here 16 minus 9 is 7 and this is 25. So 1 minus tan square 1 plus tan square is 7 by 25. This is our LHS part, that is first equation. Now let us find the RHS. Our RHS is cos square A minus sin square A. So cos square A minus sin square A. So we know that property sin square A is equal to sin A the whole square. So here we know that cos A, that is cos theta, is adjacent by hypotenuse and sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So we know this ratio. So see here, while we consider cos, it is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. So just let me write that, AB by AC the whole square minus, for sin it is opposite by hypotenuse, BC by AC. So BC by AC the whole square. Now let's just substitute the values. So we get 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. When we simplify this, we have common denominator. So in the numerator we get 16 minus 9, which is equal to 7 by 25. This is our second equation. So from 1 and 2, from first equation and the second equation, we came to know that, see here, this is also 7 by 25 and this is also 7 by 25. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Hence proved. Thanks for watching.